Bryson PESTRUNNER. A modern pest repellent device with the broadest range of action. PESTRUNNER, simultaneously, events, ultrasonic, sounds bionic noises and creates an electromagnetic field around the room. Forget about common indoor, rodents, cockroaches and spiders and other pests altogether. The device operates into ultrasonic modes, which are switched by the touch button, changing ultrasonic frequencies, to scare the rodents away and fixed ultrasonic frequencies to get rid of rodents and insects such as cockroaches, spiders, and silverfish. The bionic noise scares away pests by death. Should have the sounds of predators and electromagnetic field slows down the intruder's metabolism and stimulates them to leave the protective area. It is recommended to use multiple devices, one in each room to improve the effectiveness of your home's protection. What about pets? Not a problem. The device is safe to be used with pets. An organic design will fit into any interior and the built-in My Life will create a cozy atmosphere in the room. It turns on My Fault automatically and you will always be able to turn it off. Just press the button. Plug in the PESTRUNNER for guaranteed home protection from all of the common indoor pests. EP500. With EP500, the trouble of power outages never bother us. The integrated UPS function of EP500 can automatically power your home appliances in the blink of an eye when the power outage occurs. 6000. Plus cycle time wide lithium iron phosphate battery. Built-in features 100 watt-hours capacity makes you feel at easy under any circumstance. Fluidity 8500. Also features continuous watt output surge up to 4800 watt 1, your loads without breaking a sweat. The output power will boost to 4000 watts from 2000 watts, and the output voltage will change from 120 volts to 240 volts, enabling any electrical appliance such as this ambient heater. Features 3000 watts at 240 volts. You can view the current working status of EP500 from the app. You can also upgrade the firmware remotely online through auto function. Fast and convenient. This episode 500 can be charged with high efficiency solar power. Supports up to 1200 watts with built-in MPPT. Can be fully recharged in only 4.7 hours. It can also be recharged if you AC charging at the power of about 600 watts. Get rid of the heavy brick. With only one single cable, could cover the charging. Incredible 1800 watt-hour. Only takes 3.1 hours, charging via solar panels and wall outlet at the same time. Put your phone on top of it. Voila, wireless charging. The 100-watt USB Type-C port is compatible with devices, such as laptops. Decent ports options. Bring power for all the appliances in your life. This is Pain Band. Once more sensory disturbance by Holiest. Created by the PhD team from University of Waterloo, Canada. Punk Band is the top smart sensory instruments in the world. As unique 120-degree adjustable 3D touchscreen. Fits in your palm with hundreds of musically stressing one pump and can precisely capture your emotions and played notes. Microturismo. Its revolutionary chassis system lets you drive all sorts of car models and explore any kind of roads because it's a multiplayer game. Microturismo is designed for fearless petition. A single battery will take you up to 40 minutes, runs with a few seconds. Battery. If you brake, Microturismo revolutionary left counter system that you have many data. All the way from the times to sector jobs. Joined by Formula 1 engineers. IT combines smart engineering with efficient production methods. The result is a sturdy and precise car that you can use at any time and at the go make our choice to be able to give you freedom to be a racing driver at home. Nebo slider. Well designed, this product catered in the donkers means, we created the Nebo slider. The most lightweight slider in the world. It weighs less than my camera and lens I have here, and it is incredibly easy to take into the field. This 40-inch slider can break down terry on photography, backpack, or even normal. The idea for the Nebo slider was born while on assignment in the national parks. We are on a 2-day assignment to visit 3 parks to capture the government shutdown of 2013. We wish that we could have taken a slider to capture time lapses, but the current equipment we had was too big and took too long to set up. And so if we have a lightweight, compact, easy to take down option, like the motorized version weighs in at 3.2 pounds. It has an adjustable speeds and runs off a 9-volt battery, so you can get the battery, no matter where you go. And for filmmakers that feel like they don't need a time-lapse motor, we partnered with Quickly Camera Bags and Vsol tripods to offer you packages with a Nebo slider, little pendulum, even sliders made of anodized aircraft-grade aluminum and carbon fiber to make it lightweight. And stable slider comes with a center mount and also 2 side mount. So for a lightweight, set up 1 tripod, and for more stability, we've already picked our supplier's slider and had a small quantity produced by them. Kiki. Robotics and AI technology. Let's Kiki evolve depending on your interaction, because just like you, every team has unique. Learn from each other, bring them together, and watch the magic happen at home. After a long day, Kiki's there to welcome you home because you're special to her. You've always dreamed of having a robot companion. And now Kiki is here for you. Bring